Experiment is design of voltage regulator using LM723. Our aim is to design and test the voltage regulator using LM723. So this is the circuit diagram of LM723 voltage regulator using LM723. So this is the connection of voltage regulator. So here the 7th pin is connected to ground and 5th and 6th pin is connected to variable resistance and 11th pin connected to Vin, that is the input voltage, and 10th pin is connected to series connection of two resistor and final resistor is connected to ground. Again the 10th pin is connected to load resistance or negative pin is connected to ground. Again that 10th pin is also connected to voltmeter. So this is the output we can see. So here the voltmeter range is 0 to 30 volt. Next the pin number 4 is connected to the middle point of connection of two resistors. That is the circuit diagram of series connection. So here the 4th pin is connected to the regulator using again the 13th pin. So connected to connection capacitor 0.01 microfarad. Pin is also connected to and 5th and 6th diagram of voltage regulator using and 11th pin connected to next we going to design this LM723 10th pin is connected to diagram series connection of two resistors IC and final resistance is connected to ground. First we connect the 10th pin is connected to load resistance or negative variable resistor ground. So here the positive is 10th pin is also connected to voltmeter. So number 1, 2, 3 we can 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the voltmeter range is 0, 9, 10, 0 to 30 volt. 13, 14. So the LM723 the pin number 4 is connected to the middle point of connection of two resistors. That is another 10th pin is connected to series connection. So here the 4th pin is connected to the middle point. Again the 13th pin connected to capacitor 0.01 microfarad. It is also connected to 4th pin. This is a circuit diagram of voltage regulator using LM723. So next we going to design this LM723 by using this circuit diagram. So this is the IC of LM723. First we connect VCC, that is, and 5th pin is, so here variable resistor. So here the positive is connected to E. So this is the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the LM723 consists of 14 pin. The variable resistor, one of the pin is connected. So here 11 and 12 is another one pin is connected. So here input voltage plus volt is connected to any other pin. Any one another one pin is connected. So here 6 connected to 11th pin. And negative is connected to ground. Next the variable resistor 2.2 kilo ohm connected to ground. 10th pin. So here 2.2 kilo ohm is connected to 10 to 4th pin. Next 11th pin and 12th pin is connected to VCC, that is input voltage. 5 kilo ohm is connected the series connection of 2.2 K. So here one pin is connected to 4th pin, another pin is connected to ground. Next we connect so here 11 and 12 is interconnected. So here input voltage plus 13th pin. So here directly connected to 4th to 13th pin. So here I connected to 11th pin and negative is connected to ground. Next we connect the 6.5 kilo ohm to next 10th to 2.2 kilo ohm connected to. So here 10 connected to ground this side. So we take another one pin connected to 10 to 4th pin. One pin is connected to one terminal of the resistor and directly connected to the ground point. Next 5 kilo ohm is connected the series connection of 2.2 K. Next we connect the voltmeter connection. So here the positive voltmeter of the positive pin is connected to 10th pin. Negative is connected to ground. So we made
Next
the
we connect the
connections
0.01 microfarad.
So once we
4
connected
to
the connections
13th
means
pin.
we
So
check
here are
all the
directly
connection
connected to
after
4th
we
to 13th pin.
switch on the power supply, and then after that we take the readings. Next we connect the 6.5
Load regulation will be
10th to
Vn is equal to
connected to
10 volt. So adjust the
I connected to ground this side.
Up
So
to
we
10.
take another one pin. One pin is connected to one terminal of the resistor and directly connected to the ground point.
so here the variable resistance starting
Next
from
we connect the
0
voltmeter
to
connection. So here the positive
and then
voltmeter of the positive pin
take
is
the
connected to
readings of
10th pin.
voltmeter. So here the
Negative is connected to
voltmeter readings will be changed. So calculate the voltmeter
we
value.
made the
So
connections as per the
substitute
circuit diagram.
RL
So
value
once
is
we connected
1
the
means
connections
voltmeter
we
value
check all the connection after we
8.
switch on the power supply.
Okay.
And
So
then
next
after
the
that
change
we take
to
the
2
readings.
means the voltmeter there is no change. So again the voltmeter load regulation will be Vn is equal to
So this
10 volt.
based on
So
this
adjust
here
the
the very 3 no
up
there
to
is
10.
no change in the voltmeter, that is 8.
if 4 means
Output there is no change. So here the
so here voltage there is no change, but in the load resistance will be
resistance
changed.
starting
It
from
means the
0 to
output voltages
1
up to
and then take the
8
readings of
here this is the
voltmeter.
model graph
So
of
here the
load regulation. So here we adjust the input voltage means
voltmeter
there is
readings
no
will be
change in the
changed.
output
So
voltage, there is the
calculate
constant
the
value.
voltmeter
That's why we
value.
get the
So here
constant output of
RL value
8
is
volt. 1 means
next we
voltmeter
calculate
value
the
line regulation. So here in the line regulation RL will be constant, that is 5 kilo ohm. So next
so
so here
change to
input
2 means
voltage
the voltmeter
image
there is
to
no change. So
0
again
and then
the voltmeter is
constant 8. So this based on this here the very 3. So
no,
here
there is no change
line
in the
regulation
voltmeter,
that
that
is
is
constant,
8.
that is a 5 kilo ohm.
So by changing
If
the
input
4
voltage
means
that is here
output
adjust
there
to
is no
1
change.
volt means
So here the
we get the output voltage there is no
output,
change, but
that
in the
is
load resistance will be changed. It means
1
the
volt.
output
Okay,
voltage
so
is
mark that
up to
here
I give
1.3 input
here
voltage.
this is the
we get
model graph of
output is
load
1
regulation. So here we
So next
adjust the
I
input
adjust to
voltage means there is no change in the
2.2
output voltage, there is the constant value. That's
2
why we
volt,
get
2
the
input voltage means
constant
we got the
output of
voltmeter
8
is
volt. Next we calculate the
1.5.
line regulation. So here in the
So we
line
adjust
regulation
the
RL will be constant,
4
that is 5 kilo ohm. 3
So
3.7 means input voltage
we got the 2
image
volt
to
of output. So here
0
3.7 means
and
we
then
got the 2 output.
constant. Next we adjust to 5 volt or 6 means, so we got the
Output
so
of
here line
4.5.
regulation RL will be constant, that is a 5 kilo ohm.
So by changing the
6
input
input voltage
the output
that is
voltage
here
is
adjust to
4.5.
1 volt means
So
input
we get
voltage
the output, that is
10 means
1 volt.
okay. So mark that.
So
here
here
I give
voltmeter
1.3
output is
input voltage we get
8.
output is 1 volt. So next I adjust
So
to
here input 10 means
2 point
voltmeter output is
2
8.
that is 2 volt.
Next we
2
adjust
input
to
voltage means
we got the voltmeter is
12 means
again 1.5.
so we adjust the
Voltmeter output is
4 10 3
So we
3.7
can
adjust
means
up to
we got
12 to
the 2
15
volt of
only
output.
because the
So here
operating voltage
3.7
of
means
ICC
we
is
got the 2
12 to
output.
15.
Next we adjust to
So here 5
adjust
volt
to
or 6 means 13 means, so we got the
again the
output
output
voltage there is no change.
4.5.
So the output voltage is 10.
so 6
Again
input
I
voltage
adjust
to
to
the output voltage is
14 means
4.5. So
input
voltmeter
voltage
output there is no change. Again we got
10 means now I adjust
So
to
here
15.
our
This is
voltmeter
the limit
output
to
is
change
8.
to input voltage because the operating voltage of IC is 12
So
to
here
15.
input 10 means
Again there is no
voltmeter
change.
output is 8. So
Next
this
we
is
adjust to
the model graph. So we
got the 12
So
means
here the line regulation, there is some point of
output is
we increase the input voltage means we got the output is increases.
so we can adjust
But a
up
certain
to
range
12 to
there is no
15
change
only,
in the
because
output
the
voltage.
operating
By
voltage
using
of
the
IC
similar
is
graph, we draw
12
the
to
load
15.
regulation
So
and
here
regulation graph.
I adjust to
This is the enough
13
output
means
of voltage regulator
again the
by
output
using
voltage there is no
LM723.
change, so the output